everyone, my name is Chase DeHan and welcome to my course, Designing Data Pipelines with TensorFlow 2.0. I'm currently the Manager of Data Science at TensorFlow and hold a PhD in Economics from the University of Utah. In this course, we are going to cover one of the major improvements in the TensorFlow 2.0 release, the TF Data module. This module has a number of performance improvements that will make your life much easier if you're building models in TensorFlow. Some of the major topics that we will cover include migrating from TensorFlow 1.0 to TensorFlow 2.0, loading data into the TF Data dataset data object, prepping data and feature engineering, and most importantly, optimizing data pipeline performance. By the end of this course, you'll know how to use the TF Data module in TensorFlow and utilize many of the performance improvements. Before beginning this course, you should have familiarity with Python as well as a basic understanding of TensorFlow. Knowledge of the Keras API is helpful, but not required. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to optimize pipelines with Designing Data Pipelines in TensorFlow 2.0 course at Pluralsight.